Everybody, this is about a hitch. This is what mounts normally to the chassis, the SCX10. And then, of course, you have your adjustable hitch rod. What I did originally was I cut off the excess I didn't need, because it didn't need to be that low. Well, now that I got this, what I'm done is there's already a square hole here in the bumper. So, and the cool thing is I can move it to where I want it, and there's already a hole here. There's already a hole right there. So what I do now is I just take and line up the hole and take the screw and put it in the hole. I screw it in like this. Hard to hold the phone and do this all at one time, but screw this in, and what you need to do is you got to find a hole. That's the hole up there. And you just screw this in, place it away, and it actually tightens down, and it doesn't go anywhere. And then what I do with the extra screw is I actually just put it here so I don't lose it. And there you have it. There's your hitch. And of course, the video where I'm pulling my teardrop around is on this trailer hitch with this bumper, and it's pretty sturdy. Pretty sturdy.